We have a question here that if a over a plus b is equals to 7 over 12, then a over b is what? To solve this, we have a over a plus b equal to 7 over 12. So let's cross multiply. We'll have this to be 12a equals to 7 open bracket. This will be a plus b close bracket equal to, this will be 7a plus 7b. So by implication, this is going to be 12a minus 7a equal to 7b. So upon getting this one, we subtract this. When we subtract this, we'll have this to be 5a equal to 7b. So what we'll do here is we'll divide all through this. The 7 will divide to this, and then the 5 will divide to this, so that we'll have a over b is equals to 7 over 5. We bring this here, this one here. So therefore, this is the final result that we need and that we have been asked to simplify. Make sure you subscribe, you like. Thank you so much.